Coming to you from the international headquarters, ScottieDTV, but I was out to see my old buddy Ace. If you remember Ace, used to work for Alloway's Hot Rods back in the day. If you've been around the channel for a while, you'll recognize his voice. And he's got a new gig where they're buying and selling classic cars. And everybody always asks, how much, how much? So I think this might be a good source to get that question answered, and might be able to find y'all a hot rod if you're looking for one. So anyways, let me get the camera turned around. Let's check out this 1970 El Camino he's got. Ace?
Scotty, how's it going, buddy?
What's up, brother?
It's been a day or two.
I'm telling you. What are you into?
Man, we have started a new company called Powell's Classics. And we're buying, selling, and trading unique vehicles is basically what we're doing.
Right on. What do you got here?
Man, what you're seeing is a 1970 Chevrolet El Camino SS, big block, 4-speed car, all the bells and whistles that you'd want in a cool little hot rod.
Dude, it's obviously been redone because this thing is like better than new.
Yes, a good friend of ours redid this car out of Virginia, and this car's been done roughly about 20 years now.
No way.
Yeah, I know. It's kind of hard to believe. It's had 650 miles put on it since the restoration was finished up. Been to a bunch of Good Guys events, been parts of Shades of the Past, been a part of the Mighty Muscle. Yeah, I mean, it's a true statement on how well the caliber of the restoration has been to hold up for 20 years and look like it's been done last year.
You know, I was expecting, within the last 24 months or so.
Yeah.
Is it a numbers matching car?
It is numbers matching from basically the bell housing back. What the motor is now is a 502 aluminum headed big block Chevrolet, but to, basically mimic that 454 that would have came in that car. All the vacuum flaps for the Cowl Induction, everything is all hooked back up and works correctly like it should. And
you say since it's been restored, it's only had like 650 miles?
Yep, 650 miles is all it's had put on it. The floor on this car is just as slick as the underside, or the upside of it, I guess we should say. And but it's all done in matte clear. And but I mean, every nut and bolt, everything. This gentleman that we got the car from was very meticulous about it.
So what's the object now? You're going to sell it?
Yeah, this car is up for sale. You can find it at powellsclassics.com. Visit our Facebook or Instagram, or you can call me at 865-409-5407. This car is, it's right up there. This is a car that you can take out, show it, drive it, do anything you want to, but it's going to stand tall for many years to come.
That interior is like brand new.
Oh, yeah, and it's amazing that it's had 650 miles put on it, and it looks like it's never been set in and stuff. And it really is an amazing car.
And it should be mentioned, and I'm guessing here, correct me if I'm wrong, outside of the engine change, the rest of it's OEM.
Yes. Everything else, OEM colors, interior, you name it, it's been put back almost like factory specs on this car. Even the 14-inch SS wheels and the Polyglas Goodyear tires on it.
Right on. Those things are 18 or 20 years old too?
Yep.
Holy smokes. No, just an absolute vehicle, a beautiful vehicle. You invited me to come out here and see what you had going on, and I saw that, and I was like, well, I'm sure the whole world wants to see that. And of course, I think people missed you since you've been at Alloway's.
Yes,
Uncle Rod didn't have you in a position to be doing interviews.
No.
Yeah, it's good to see you back. And again, for people that missed it, do you have an asking price on it?
Yes, $90,000.
Okay.
Yeah.
And if they want to get in touch with you, the best way to do that is
either powellsclassics.com. That's PALS classics.com, or you can call me at 865-409-5407.
And if they ask for Ace, will they know who they're?
They're going to get me directly. But if not, if you somehow get someone else, you would ask for Dustin.
Okay. Now, if anybody but Ace answers, you got to ask for Dustin because they don't know who Ace is yet. I'm sure they will when this is all over. But no, absolutely beautiful. And again, you said so. 1970.
1970.
How many owners?
One since restoration. Okay. I don't know previously to that.
Right on. No, absolutely beautiful truck, man. Thanks for giving me some time this
morning. Yes, thank you very much, Scotty, for coming out.
So there you go from Powell's Classics. A 1970 El Camino SS big block 4-speed car. I know you gotta like that. Hope y'all have enjoyed it. See ya!
y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.